Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Netflix application on your mobile device. To log into your Netflix app, first of all make sure that you've downloaded the Netflix application on your mobile device and launch it open. Logging into your existing Netflix account is a pretty straightforward process. Once you open up the app, go to the sign in button at the top right hand corner and tap on it. Now, this will take you to the sign-in page where you need to enter your credentials. Enter your email or phone number in the first text box, followed by your account's password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password at the bottom and follow through the instructions. After entering your email or phone number followed by your account's password, click on the Sign In button. You can also use a sign-in code if you want to sign in via verification code sent to your phone number or email. Soon after you tap on Sign In, you will then be able to log into your Netflix application. So that's how you easily log into Netflix app in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.